In this problem, we need to determine the equation of a circle of radius 3 units to which the lines are normal. Let us begin. So let us consider the equation of the circle to be in its standard form. Our goal will be to determine the value of the center, coordinates of the center, that means the value of h and k. Now here we are given the equations of the normal line. So we have a combined equation, x squared minus 3xy minus 3x plus 9y equals to 0. So let's try to simplify this equation. So from the first term and the second term, if we take x as the common factor, the x gets multiplied to x minus 3y. Now from the third and the fourth term, if we take negative 3 as the common factor, so that gets multiplied to x minus 3y equals to 0. Which means now we have two terms. Now from the two terms, we will take x minus 3y as the common factor. Now in the first term, if we take out x minus 3y, then we are left with x. And then from the second term, we have already factored out x minus 3y, so we are left with minus 3. This will be equals to 0. So solving these two equations, we are going to get x minus 3y equals to 0 and x equals to 3. Now that we have x equals to 3, so we will substitute into the first equation, x minus 3y equals to 0. We have 3 minus 3y equals to 0, which gives us y value equals to 1. So we have obtained the value x equals to 3 and y equals to 1. So that's nothing but the coordinates of the point of intersection of the two normal lines whose combined equation was given to us. Now, luckily for us, this point of intersection of the two normal also corresponds to the center of the circle. Because if we have a circle, let's say we have two normals at the point A and point B, then the normal at point A and the normal at point B, all these two lines are always going to pass through the center of the circle. So that means the coordinates of the center is also going to be 3, 1, which means that the value of h is going to be 3, value of k will be equals to 1. So we can substitute this into our assumed equation of the circle. So therefore, the equation of the circle will be x minus 3 whole squared added to y minus 1 whole squared equals to 3 squared. So this is going to be the required equation of the circle.